Oh!
Well, why are you backing up?
I think it's impassable. Oh, and look at the
Rock
rocks coming
slide.
down.
Is the road blocked or they want to park? What's
Somebody
their
just
story?
came from the other side.
Oh, it's one lane, I bet, because
Yeah.
Stuck here?
There's
He's backing up too.
there's some serious rocks coming over the edge. If we don't get through now, the road's going to be closed pretty soon. I think it's now or never.
Well, you don't know what's up ahead.
Well, those other people came through.
Oh man.
Hey, this is where you drive off the cliff.
You can probably stop here, Kevin. Not too many people are going to go.
There's just water streaming down everywhere.
You're not past?
It's a one-lane tunnel.
So it's not like patrols or taking out there.
Right about the tunnel.
He's gonna come and tell us something. Wall of water and gravel.
I would not do well. I'm not a strong enough motorcycle rider.
Would you stop and walk through?
I think I might have to go back. That's cool.
That water's coming down.
Yep, that's a mud waterfall.